everybody. I'm Jack. I'm an artist and instructor at NYU Abu Dhabi's Interactive Media Program. So the workshop I will be teaching is called Creative Coding for Absolute Beginners. The first workshop, which I call Let's Start Sketching, that's where we're going to learn the fundamentals, the basics of creative coding, and the basics of JavaScript. In the second workshop, repeat, and repeat. That's where we will be learning how to create animations with repetition. And then workshop number 3 is Beauty of Noises. So this is where we learn about Perlin noise, which is an algorithm that really helps make animations or color changes more natural, more organic. And then the workshop number 4 is object-oriented creativity. Essentially, we'll be learning this programming concept called object-oriented programming. Workshop number 5 is virtual reflections. This is where we will start adding more interaction with the webcams.